While you're stressing over every extra dollar of overtime, the rich are using a system that makes money while they sleep, and that system was never explained to you on purpose. You were trained to think like an earner. How much can I make an hour? The rich think like owners. How many hours can this asset make money for me? Here's the brutal part. Banks, employers, and even the tax code depend on you staying an earner. Your responsible habits, saving in cash, avoiding all debt, relying on one paycheck, are exactly what keep you profitable to them and broke for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to legally copy the systems the rich use and flip this game in your favor. While you're grinding away trading your life for a paycheck, the rich are running a completely different playbook. They've installed simple legal systems that force their money to work for them 24/7. They aren't smarter than you, and they definitely aren't all working harder. They're just exploiting a system you were never taught. In this video, I'm exposing the game. I'm going to show you the 3 legal systems the rich use to automate their wealth and how you can clone their exact blueprints starting today, with or without a trust fund. System number 1. Build your automated ownership engine. The first system the rich use is designed to bypass your greatest weakness, willpower. They know it's unreliable, so they build an automated system that makes the right decision for them by force every single time. It's called Pay Yourself First. This is about hijacking your own cash flow before you have a chance to sabotage yourself. Before your rent is due, before you buy a single coffee, you pay your future self. You automate the transfer of 20 to 25% of your income directly into your investment accounts the instant your paycheck hits. This isn't about saving what's left over. It's about investing money you never even see. Every dollar you automate becomes a soldier in your army, working 24/7 to capture more territory. Someone earning $50,000 who automates 20%, $10,000 a year, into simple investments with a 7% average return could hit $1 million in about 30 years. The growth is silent and relentless. You're not fighting the urge to spend. You've rigged the system so that money was never in your checking account to begin with. System number 2. Weaponize taxes and debt. The second system turns the 2 things you're trained to fear, taxes and debt, into your most powerful weapons. First, taxes. Earners see taxes as a punishment. Owners see them as the rule book with legal cheat codes. The government practically begs you to invest and gives you huge incentives to do it. The most obvious one is an employer 401k match. This is literally free money. A 50% match on the first 6% you contribute is an instant, risk-free 50% return on your money. Not taking this is setting cash on fire. Next, you open a Roth IRA. For 2026, the contribution limit for those under 50 is $7,500. You must always check the latest IRS limits as they change, but in a Roth, your money grows 100% tax-free, and when you retire, the government can't touch a dime of it. Now, let's talk about debt. You've been sold a lie that all debt is bad. That's how they keep you small. The rich use good debt. Bad debt is your 25% interest credit card used for liabilities. Good debt is borrowing money at a low interest rate to buy an asset that goes up in value or pays you to own it. Think of a mortgage on a rental property. You use the bank's money, your tenant pays the mortgage, and the entire time the property value is climbing. Your tenant is literally paying off your debt while the asset makes you richer. Owners aren't afraid of debt. They're terrified of bad debt. System number 3. Build your freedom engine. The third system is what truly breaks you free. That single paycheck you think is security, it's a leash. Relying on one job is the single biggest gamble you can possibly take. Owners build multiple, independent streams of income to protect themselves. This doesn't mean getting a second job. That's just being an earner twice. It means building or buying assets that generate cash flow while you focus on other things. You can start small.
The easiest is dividend income from low-cost index funds, like an S&P 500 ETF. You own a tiny piece of 500 of the biggest companies, and they pay you a slice of their profits just for showing up. Next, create a digital product. Take a skill you already have, Excel, writing, graphic design, and package it into a short course or an ebook. You build it once, and you can sell it 1,000 times over while you sleep. Finally, consider a small automated business. This could be an affiliate marketing blog or even renting out tools you own. The goal isn't to create another job for yourself. The goal is to build a system that generates extra cash to pour right back into system number one, buying you more income-producing assets and creating a vicious compounding loop that works in your favor. These three systems, automated ownership, weaponized taxes and debt, and the Freedom Engine, are not some secret Wall Street conspiracy. They are the simple, repeatable blueprint the rich use every day. This was never about a six-figure salary. It's about a brutal mindset shift from earner to owner, from someone who works for money to someone whose money works for them. It's about building systems that are smarter than your own worst instincts. The excuses are gone. The blueprint is in your hands. The lie that this game is only for the rich is officially dead. So here's the only question that matters. What is the first system you are going to build? Are you setting up that automated transfer, opening that Roth IRA, or brainstorming that first digital asset? Let me know in the comments below. Declaring your first move is the first step to making it real. Building wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about the systems you build. It's time to start building.